everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button down below and click on the little bell so you can be notified for all my new videos. Hi guys, hey everybody, happy Tuesday. I know, a video on Tuesday. Hi guys, how's everybody doing? Okay, first off, thank you so much for yesterday's video. And if you're back, it's because I'm going to show you the entire dining room. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I love it. Okay, before we get into the video, I just want to address something because a lot of people are saying to me, Bella, why on God's green earth are you decorating so much when this is not your... this is just a leased home. Yes, it is a leased home, but I'm living here. And if you know me, I'm a little extra. I mean, you know, not much, but I'm extra. Okay, all joking aside, I'm just joking. I mean, well, kind of, sort of, right? I am extra. But here's the thing. Here's how I feel, and this is how I kind of live my life. In every aspect of my life. You have to do the most in life. You have to do the most. This is very different for me, renting. I haven't done this before, and it's all new to me. So I've always taken pride in ownership into my homes and everything. And you can hear my daughter giggling in the background. I think she's watching the 70s show or something. I don't know, it's summer vacation. It's hard. Okay, so anyways, as I was saying, I've always taken pride and ownership in all my homes, and I love making a home. I love making a home. I love decorating a home. I love making it warm and cozy and comfortable for my friends and family to come and visit. I know this is, okay, I already know that this is just really a temporary house, and we're not going to even be here for that long. I mean, maybe a year, maybe. And I'm saying maybe like very loosely, maybe a year. Could be way less, but max a year. Miss Mia came to join us. Okay, so I want to decorate it. I want to make it feel like my space. I want to make it feel comfortable and homey. And I love to decorate. So anyways, I just wanted to share that with you guys. And yeah, I love going the extra mile. I love going the extra mile. I go the extra mile for everything in my life. Everything. I think life is to be enjoyed to the max. And I really mean this. And people say to me, Bella, how are you always so happy? Because I enjoy my life to the max. And really, I've said this so many times, and I'm going to say it again, and I will say it till I'm blue in the face. I live in a state of gratitude all the time. I am grateful for the smallest thing to the biggest thing. I am grateful that my hair looks semi-decent today. I mean, the ends are kind of frizzy, but that's okay. My hair looks good. I'm grateful for that. I'm grateful for my cheapy earrings. I am grateful for my cute little dress. I am grateful for this home. I am grateful that I found somewhere to live. I am grateful that I sold my house so quickly. I am grateful for everything. This is what makes me me. Okay, and I'm grateful that you're all listening to me babble because we all know your girl likes to babble. But anyways, I wanted to address that. Now, let's get into the fun stuff. And I'll show you all the room because I love it. I think it looks good. There's only one part that's not decorated, but I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, guys, here we are. This is what you see as soon as you walk into my house. On the right is the dining room. If you haven't seen the empty house tour, I will link it for you guys down below so you can see it. Okay, So this is what you see. I have a dining room set that has actually 10 chairs, but I only have the 6 at the table right now and these 2 upholstered chairs that I got recently. And then the other 2 chairs are down there by the window and that little antique table that I have. Okay, I'm gonna show you the centerpiece. I put this tablecloth that I got at the Christmas tree shop. Love it. I think it's great. I should have ironed it, but hey, it's okay. Okay, this is what I did. It's so simple, and I wanted it simple because I didn't want to fuss too much with it. It is summer, and I would rather be outside enjoying the weather. I had this lantern. I just made this really pretty bow. It's this like striped bow, and I hot glued a seashell. I love it. It's got rope. I love the wood on the lantern. And I got 3 moss balls in there. I don't know if the lighting is showing it right. And then I had these candle holders. I had these for a while now. I love them. They're like that creamy color with that pale, pale blue. And then these pale, pale blue candles. And then this leaf plate, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. I added just potpourri that I got from the dollar store or Dollar Tree. And then I scattered around some seashells. That's all I did. So I just kept it really, really simple. It actually smells really good. Okay. You guys seen the hutch. So we're not going to spend too much time on the hutch. But I want to show you this. Guys, this is so funny to me. I got this chandelier. You see the chandelier there? I got this chandelier. We just put it up on Saturday. I think it was Saturday. It's from the Habitat for Humanity Restore. Guys, this was so inexpensive. It was $35 without tax. And I got it because when I sold my home, the chandelier that was in my home obviously had to stay with my home. And I didn't want to spend a lot of money because, again, we're not going to be here very long. Okay, so this is what I did. On either side of the hutch, you can see it there. There's one there and one there. Are these 2 very, very plain black mirrors. I added a little ribbon and a tiny, tiny little Hobby Lobby wreath. You can see me. There's a little wreath. I'll go in closer. And then if you pan this to move so I could show you this. On that little wall there, I just hung 3 little paintings. That leads into my butler's pantry. I also added this candle holder that I had. It's like a wrought iron candle holder with a pale blue candle. And there's the part of my dining room that is not decorated. That is my bar cart. I have one part over here because I'm loving this. Loving this. Guys, this is my electric fireplace. There, you can see it right there. I've had this fireplace for, oh my God, God only knows. I'm trying to think. It could be 10 to 11 years. No, maybe, I don't know, around there. Anyways, I had this painting and I had everything that you see here, except these are the brand new sconces that I got from Hobby Lobby on the 75% clearance sale. Love them. Just added some garden balls and that is it. Okay, here's my 2 candle holders. I wrapped some twine around them and I hot glued seashells on the bottom of the twine on both of them. This little concrete thing here, I just added it because it reminds me of the beach. It actually reminds me of a fleur-de-lis, which reminds me of my one true love, which is the state of Louisiana. So anything fleur-de-lis, if I find it here in Canada, I gotta have it. And then I just added these little grasses in my vase. The vase came like this, guys. It had this twine rope, or oh yes, Miss Mia is whining now. She wants to go outside. Okay, let's do this quick so I don't waste too much of your time. If you turn this way, The window is kind of like set in a bit, like a little bit. So I just added this antique table that I had. It's clawfoot table. You can see it right there. It's hand carved, and I've had this for, oh my God, this has been in my family for years and years and years. I just added 2 of my chairs here. Some really cheap, inexpensive pillows that I had. Pretty sure I bought these down south at Ross when we were there for something. I can't remember. Maybe a chair competition. The centerpiece, I just added the centerpiece that I made with you guys. A little candle with this blue geode on it. My lamp and those nautical, it's one of the napkins from the nautical set that I bought from Christmas Tree Shop. So I'm just going to pan around real quick. There you can see me. There's the hutch and the other mirror and the table. I think it looks so cute. You can see into my butler's pantry. And here's another view. You can see the fireplace. You can see Miss Mia. She's dying to go outside. So this is where we're going to end. Guys, that is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I didn't ramble too much at the beginning. Please give this video a big, giant thumbs up because it totally helps my channel grow. And I'm really praying that I get to 5,000 really soon. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. And I'm really excited. I really want to get to 5,000. Thank you so much for joining me on my YouTube adventures. Thank you, girls, so much from the bottom of my heart for all your love, your support, your comments, your everything. You know how much you mean to me. I couldn't be on this journey without you guys, and I'm just beyond grateful. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. I love you. Have an amazing Tuesday, because we never see each other on Tuesday, and now we did today. I will see you tomorrow. I actually have a cute video tomorrow, and I'm going to take you somewhere special. Okay, bye, guys. Love you. Mwah. Have a fantastic evening, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.